Hi everyone. Over a year ago, I was working on a big project on a construction site, and my shoulder was in so much pain. I could barely move. I was afraid, I was scared, and I was stuck. I have discovered 4 exercises that helped me to rebuild my muscle strength. I'm here to show you what really helps. First exercise is using a band. It is called a stretching band, a flexible band, or resistance band. It's easy to find it online or in store. I have it at home and it really helps. At home, I use my bed leg to fix it. I position myself firmly. I feel comfortable. The exercise is about pulling the band slowly to my body, release it slowly away. I want to use both my arms to balance the exercise. You control the movement, you control the release. It's not about the speed, it's about to feel the stretch. I can feel it right here, across my shoulder and upper back. I do it 10 to 15 times or even more if I feel comfortable. Again, you control the move, you feel the stretch. I switch the hand and do the same with this side. The second one is pulling the band, releasing the band under an angle. I stand tall, keep my core tight, hold the band firmly, pulling towards my body, releasing it away. Control the movement, feel the stretch. Switching the arm. I want to balance the exercise. For the third exercise, I don't use any fancy equipment. I have my mat and a pair of dumbbells. I use 2.5 kilos. You can use your weight that you feel comfortable with. When we do this exercise, it's important to be aware all the time of the movement. So we'll have our core tight and hold the dumbbells with a comfortable grip. The exercise is to lift up the dumbbells and to lower it back. We're lifting it up, having control over the movement, lower it back. Don't rush, control the move. I do this 10 to 15 times or even more. The fourth exercise is using our dumbbells, lifting up and getting it back under an angle. We have the angle approximately 45 degrees. You'll feel it. I do this 10 to 15 times. If it's too hard, I help my shoulder with my other arm. I can help with both hands. I switch the arm. Don't overextend, don't rush. Feel the stretch. Aim for 10 to 15 times or more. These 4 exercises really helped me to get rid of my shoulder pain and to get it flexible again and working. I recommend you do it at home and let me know how your shoulders feel.